Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. And the question today is, what does this equal? And why am I not asking, what do these equal? Well, the reason is that these are both the same. One is expressed in decimals and one in fractions. So let's have a look at them. You don't often see things like this, and that's why I thought this would be a really good problem to have a look at. So log in base 5 of 1.125, or log in the base of a half, 1/8. Now, 0.125 is equal to 1/8. I know that because I was beaten at school for not knowing that. And no, I'm not at all bitter. So let's just check on that. So 1 divided by 8 equals, and I hope you can see that there, 0.125. Right, so we know that we're talking about the same thing. And so it really doesn't matter which one of these I go about solving. But we need a way into them. This one might be the more obvious of the two rather than this, although if you do know that 1/2 to the power of 3 equals 1/8, that's definitely a way into this. So just let me get that in focus. 1/2 to the power of 3 is 1/8. 1/2 times 1/2 is a quarter, times 1/2 is 1/8. With this, it's 0.5 times 0.5 times 0.5. And those of you who are familiar with your powers of 5 will recognize that if this were just 5, it would be 5 times 5, 25, times 5, 125. But of course, as we are multiplying decimals or fractions, our result gets smaller and smaller. So, what does this equal? Well, let's set about discovering how you resolve this. And I'll do the one up here, and then I'll just explain quickly how this would be done. So, log 0.5. Now, we know that 0.5 to the power of 3 is 0.125. So having got this into this form, what we can do is we can look at a couple of ways in which you can go about solving this. Now, down the bottom of the page, I've got a couple of log rules. The first one is this. Log a of a to the power of b is equal to b. Well, that's what we've got here. This base is the same as this number raised to this power. The answer is 3, and that is indeed the answer. Is there another way in which we can go about this? Well, there is. We can take a look at this log law here, which tells us log a of a is equal to 1. A to the power of 1 is equal to a. So if we can write this in such a form, and I'll just make this really obvious. I'll put this outside the bracket. This thing here can be placed at the front of our equation. That's yet another log rule. This power can move down here. And what does this equal? Well, this equals 1, and 3 times 1 is 3. So there's our answer in another way. Now, just very quickly, log in base 1/2 of 1/8 is equal to 1/2 to the power of 3. And you'll see that the same thing is going on here and that is equal to 3. So to just come back to the question, what does this equal, or what do these equal? They equal 3. That is our answer. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this interesting and perhaps useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.